Okay, guys, the Virgo in me once again. I have bought a mattress from Mattress Firm. So with Mattress Firm, they have that you can sleep or try out your mattress for 120 days. And if you're not fully satisfied, then they will take it back. This is definitely a 12-inch mattress, maybe even a little more. And oh my God, I am so happy with it. Now, I don't have a bed frame for this room yet, and I'm working on that whenever I decide what I want. So I do have the old bedside table from the other bed. I didn't use the bed frame, the headboard, and the footboard because it was sleigh bed, and I'm kind of quiet. I'm out of that, that style. So this here is just here temporarily because this room was my dressing room, and now it's actually a guest bedroom. Eventually, when I find the bed and I have both side tables, and I will probably put a TV on this wall that I can angle back. But right now in this closet, I have, if you can see, let me open it up. I have the Chester drawer that goes with the bed. I will probably keep this in here for guests because there's not enough room. I don't want it in the room. It'll overcrowd the room. So I put it in the closet, and it fits perfectly for guests because they're not going to be staying like forever. So right now, this is how the bed is looking. I am able to at least hide some of the legs on the frame of the bed, or it's adjustable base rather. So this is the bedding that I currently am using, and it matches real well with the curtains. It's kind of like a khaki brown, and this is a nice thin bedspread. It is Casa Luna. It's like a quilt, but it's just a lightweight covering. And I also have the linen Casa Luna. It's wrinkled. So I washed it. I have to get out the wrinkles. But this is the bedding that I'm using right now, and I'm just trying to figure out what type of bed that I want to use for this room as well. So this is the look so far that I'm getting for this bedroom. Nice and comfortable bed. Okay, I want to show you a close-up of these eyelashes. Let's take them out here. I have to hurry because I have to pick up the kiddos here pretty soon. Alright, can you guys see a closer view of these eyelashes? They're from the Kiss Falscara collection, and it gives pretty good reviews, and it looks good. It doesn't look thick and overdone, and it's reasonably priced. I got these at Walgreens. I think they were $9.99, and then I bought another item of Kiss. It was buy one get the other half off. So I ended up getting this and I don't know, maybe something else, maybe both of them. And this was $15, and then it was another discount. Anyway, the total price that I got for these were $10. So anyway, it's like buy one get one free, so that's what I got. I've done pretty well as far as getting some stuff done. I've watered the plants. I've done some dusting, or just that light duster. And in my office, I've cleaned the baseboards and most of the house. I haven't done my room and any of the bedrooms yet, or upstairs, but I cleaned the baseboards. They get pretty dusty. Since I live in a new subdivision, and they are constantly building and creating a lot of dust, and it's been really windy here. I did create a double pleat curtain. I'm gonna take them back down. I just wanted to see how they look hanging. I created this double pleat, and now I'm gonna take them down, iron them, and straighten out those pleats a little bit better. I think I did a pretty reasonable job. I like this a lot better. They originally come like that, and I just didn't think that was really tidy enough. And these are actually without the hooks. So I've got my sewing machine out, and I need to complete that process. All right. Hi guys. Today is Thursday. I don't know what day it is. Another week. I think it's the 20th, maybe. Yeah, it's the 20th. So I decided to take another day off because I wasn't still feeling myself, and it's I don't know, maybe about 9 o'clock in the morning. So it's it's 72 degrees in here, but I'm still a little chilly. I'm gonna leave it at that temperature because I'm gonna take this robe and put it on. So guys, tell me what you think about this. So this fireplace, I do love the TV being here, but let me see, I've been in this house about 1.5 years, and I love the TV being here, but I want to take it down because I don't have very many options in moving my furniture around in my living room. So I have this console table I have over here. The only two places I can move it is either where it began over here in that free space, and that's the only space I have for pictures, or I can move it here as well, but then that only limits where I can sit my sofa. I can sit my sofa on that wall, but then I'd have to look behind my head to look at the TV. Won't work. So, or I can move the sofa here. And there's a problem with that, and that is because the sofa sitting here, I have to look up at a weird odd angle to actually see the TV. It's been a long time since I've done something like that on my own, but I think I can do it. I think I can do it, guys. Watch me tear it up. So, but the one thing is, if I tear it up and I'm unsuccessful in fixing my mess, then I can always call my handyman guy or my guy that will come out and fix up my mess.
Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like getting out. I'ma just lay back and crack this window. I've been doing my best, taking a moment to rest, feeling stressed out. Give it a cut, I put that on God. When it gets hard, I stay on my job like.
So guys, I did get a lot done. I did go and clean out the kitchen. Well, clean up the kitchen a little bit better. I cleaned the refrigerator with the stainless steel cleaner. I did make up my bed for today. And I do need to finish the baseboards in here and dust out the window sills and all that good stuff. And no, I didn't clean that up. But anyway, okay, so today I am going to be making the lemony spaghetti with Brussels sprouts. And this is from HelloFresh. And this is the recipe card here. and everything I need is here. And this is not a, this doesn't have meat. This is a, I think, vegetarian, I won't say vegan, vegetarian meal.